Hi, Glenda and Lonny Satterly with Keller Williams and the Joan Kelly Group. Today we are discussing market reports. We just got December of 2022 in comparison to 21 and also years previous. So just going to start by talking about the Hilton and Bluffton markets.
So with these numbers, we have found a lot of clients that are moving from Northeast, West Coast, Midwest, waiting for the market to crash. Some places maybe in more expensive areas, maybe it's having a sharper decline, certainly than what we're having. The numbers would prove that. There's been a change or turn in the market, of course. Right now, year over year from last December, inventory levels are up some. Month supply is up. But when you compare that to the normal markets, like the inventory levels from January 2015 to April of 2020, which is a little over 5 years, you were looking at 2,000 to 2,500 homes on any given month in that 5.5 year span. And now we have like 977, whereas February, March of 2022, we had around the lowest it's ever been, around 400 to 500. So the inventory has come up, but it's still about half of what a normal average would be. Month supply for that same January 15 to April of 2020 would be somewhere between 8 months to 5.5 months. Now it says 2.5. Last February was the lowest it's been, and it was 0.7. So they've come up some, but realistically, the inventory levels December of 22 are less than what they were in October, November.
So what does all this mean for you as a buyer or you as a seller? For as a buyer, now we're able to negotiate just a little bit off the list price as long as the sellers are priced correctly. So that gives you a little bit more, I guess, power out there in the market. And what does that mean for a seller? Well, if you look at the numbers again, you will see the sales to list price is it's come down a little bit, but as long as you're priced right, you are going to be able to get what you've listed for or close to it as the market shows today. So in saying that, it's a great time to either list your home or to come in and buy your home, and we'll be happy to help you with either.
So for buyers, sellers, you're still getting a very good average sale price or median sale price for buyers, whereas back in February, March, April, you couldn't hardly get in for financing. You had to do creative things. Now you can pretty much do financing, get an appraisal, do home inspections, whereas you couldn't do it back then. We can do that now. So
right.
There's been a turn, and so it's a good time to sell and a really good time to be a buyer too.
Yes, and again, Glenda and Lonny Satterly, we love looking at the numbers. We love watching market trends and what's happening. And, we're excited about this year in 2023 because we have our thoughts and what we think might happen out there with interest rates and inflation and all those things. So if you want information, please just reach out and give us a call, 843-715-5822 or He's 23. So thanks so much.
Have a great day.